Chevy Van and Sport Van have the flexibility to meet today's people-moving and personal use needs for work or play. For 1980, the distinctive front-end styling features a new, bolder, argent-colored grille. A chrome-trimmed grille with rectangular headlamps is standard on Beauville and Nomad and available on all other models. Also new for 1980 is available one-way glass. Choose from a wide variety of models and packages. Chevy Van's lineup includes Chevy Caravan for the do-it-yourself customizing enthusiast. Standard features include high-back bucket seats that swivel and recline, an instrument panel with simulated wood grain applique, wood paneling with insulated walls, roof, and floor, and a crank-operated translucent screened roof vent. Chevy Nomad. Interior appointments include high-back bucket seats up front and a removable center bench seat, or available front and rear buckets that swivel and recline. For the fun crowd, Chevy Sport, a high-style look with color-coordinated bumpers and new chrome grille featuring black accents and rectangular headlamps, special color-coordinated two-tone paint and striping, and white spoke wheels. Chevy Sport Van, the spacious people mover, available in 2 wheelbases and seating for up to 12. All models come with 2 front bucket seats and a 3-passenger rear bench seat standard. Add an available 3-passenger bench seat to G20 or G30 and carry up to 8 passengers. The G30 125-inch wheelbase sport van can carry 12 passengers by adding the optional 4-passenger bench seat. This is Sport Van's high-style Beauville edition. Inside are high-back buckets and newly styled bench seats with redesigned armrests, seat riser, and armrest enclosure panels, cut pile carpeting, spare tire cover, new visor mirror, and much more. Chevy Nomad, Caravan, and Sport Van. Big on value, with models, equipment, and style to suit almost everybody's needs.